Hello, this is Keith All, and today I'm going to show you a feature in the Builderall um, environment, how you could make elements appear after a certain time, a length has elapsed after your video is playing. So, for instance, if you have a sales page, if you have a sales funnel, you direct people to that funnel. They opt into your funnel or whatever, or even they don't opt in yet. You just direct them to the page. You'll have a video on there, and sometimes you want to set up a feature where for them to buy your product or service, you want them to watch the video first before they even uh, click on a button that says buy here or whatever, or get instant access. So what you can do though in the Builderall environment is you could set up a feature that after a certain length of time has passed of the video playing, then this button or any other element will appear for the user to take some form of action. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. One, with the video to have autoplay, what I did was I added the HTML element by going over here, hitting the plus sign to the left, and if you scroll down to the apps area down here, you'll have an HTML element, and that's what this is. It's an HTML element. So what I did was I went in here, right-clicked on the HTML element, click on Edit, and what I do is I included the embed code of a YouTube video. How you get the embed code is you just go over to YouTube. Let me quickly go over there. And I'm going to just select any video. Give it a few seconds to load. If you just click on any video, it'll pop up, and then if you scroll down and where it says share, I'm going to stop the video from playing. Underneath the video you'll have a button over here that says share. So if you click on share, you'll have this parentheses, these brackets. If you click on that, you'll have this embed code over here. So what you do is you copy that, go back to your editor in Builderall, and you paste that embed code right here. And for you to have the video autoplay, in other words, what that means is as soon as your web page gets loaded, your sales page, the video will automatically start playing. And once that happens, you'll have a countdown timer here that says, okay, after a few minutes or a few seconds of this video playing, this button will appear. And in order to do that in the embed code, you have to go over to this section here where it says source, SRCE equals, and then the link to your video, and then let me zoom in here a little bit so you can see it. This is the video ID. So after the word embed / video ID, what you want to do is you want to paste in this code, which is question mark, the word autoplay, and then the equal signs equal 1. So that's what you do. So I'm just going to temporarily take this out. Okay. And then confirm. So that's what you would do with the video. Now, if you want a certain element, whether it be a text element or a button or whatever it is, you right-click on that and you look for the section called animation. You click on animation. So if you say select animation, you're going to have a bunch of different options to choose from on the way this button will appear. So I just selected fade in down, and you'll see the effects of that in a second. And then what you want to do is, when should this event occur? In other words, when should this button appear? So and since we have a video, we want the video to play for a certain amount of time, we're going to say animation time counter. So we're going to select that, and it gives you this time counter. So I just set mine for a few seconds for this tutorial. And so after 5 seconds, this button will appear. So I'm going to confirm that. And I'm going to also do it with this text element. So I'm going to say animation. I'm going to select a different option. So let's say bounce out. Let's try this. Bounce out right. Let's see what effect that has. Again, I'm going to select animation counter, time counter. And I'm going to choose 5 seconds. Confirm. Okay, now I didn't set this to autoplay, but it'll work the same once I set it to autoplay. But I'm gonna go over now to preview and watch what happens when the page loads. You'll see that these elements, this text element and this button element, won't appear initially. Oh. See, click here, see how it appeared after 5 seconds, and this one faded out. So let me just change that. I want something else. I didn't think it would have that effect. So bounce out right. So that's what it did. So let's see. Give me a second. Let's see what fade in left big does. Let's go over to preview. As you can see, they don't appear initially. And see how that happened? It faded in after a period of 5 seconds. And this one faded in. This one faded in from the left. So you can have many different options or effects for certain elements to appear after a certain length of time of this video playing. I hope this tutorial was very helpful for you today. Please come back often, because I'm going to be teaching you more about the Builderall platform and many other topics that I'm involved with. So please subscribe to my channel. And like I said, thanks for stopping by today. I look forward to the next video that I upload. Bye now.